warmed up? I said, are we all warmed up? Can you give me more? I said, can you give me more? We're gonna vibe with you. We're gonna vibe. We're gonna vibe. Are you ready to vibe? Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Not again. I heard you came from where you west, so you can never check me. Back to back for the people that didn't get the message. Back to back like I'm on the cover of Lethal Weapon. Back to back like I'm Jordan 96, 97. Whoa, very important, very pretentious. When I look back, I might be mad and I gave this attention. Yeah, but it's weighing heavy on my conscience. Yeah, and fuck you left the boy no option. I'm gonna hear my people go and say, you gon' make me step out of my fucking frame. You gon' make me buy bottles for Charlemagne. You gon' make me go out of my fucking way. I waited 4 days, people, where y'all at? Drove here in the way, playing ARM. Not 2 what it was, it really made y'all mad. But I guess this is what I gotta do to make y'all rap. I mean, whoa! Get from the city, man, they know what's up. Second floor, 2 to 3 shoulder ones. Guess we gotta think that I don't write enough. They just mad cause I got that Midas touch. You love it and you gotta get a world tour. Is that a world tour or your girl's tour? I know that you gotta be a girl for. See what she meant when she told you to open up more. Are we ready to move? Are we ready to fucking move?